I'm going to give you some options and I need you to pick one. I'll be giving you 5 seconds to pick one. Whatsoever you pick will greatly determine our conclusion at the end of this tutorial. It will greatly help your design career. So here it goes. Just pick one. Are you done? Let's begin. Hi guys, it's ZKD once again, and I'm here to give you a very important tip. If I may ask, what is your design style? What is your design style? Some difficulties we have in design is because we do not stick to our design styles. I have a style of design, you have a style of designing. If you can stick to your style, you'll be making amazing arts and you will grow very fast. What we call a trend is someone's style that went viral. Over the years, I've been researching. I've been looking for a way to categorize different design styles. Come to think of it, if everybody can have a different way they do things, likes, dislike, I thought of it like everybody have their own strength. And even in design, we don't all like the same patterns of design. You understand? And even sometimes we try to learn these patterns of design and we begin to struggle with it. It simply means we all have our individual styles, individual strengths. So this was what I came up with. First, we have the 3D stylists. They love to go with 3D models. They are very excited when they find 3D designs. It is not a weakness, it is a strength. Sometimes they make use of 3D model styles, they make use of 3D text. What they do is combine 3D text and 3D layouts. They put things together and they come out with beautiful designs. We have a couple of them here. You can see all these designs we have. They are 3D designs and look, they are beautiful. You might say as a designer, okay, I can do this too. I can look for a way to do this. But unlike these guys, these 3D stylists, this is their strength. Whenever they are giving any design, they will want to jump into 3D. How do you know if this is your style? When a design comes to you and the first thing that comes to your mind is trying to make something realistic, trying to add some shadows, trying to bevel things up, trying to do that, you know you are a 3D stylist. You have to develop yourself on that area. Stop trying to go with trends that are other person's style. Stick to your style. Whenever a job is being given to you, the mode of execution should be 3D. Some persons might be afraid that how can they get job or things like that? They have to be able to know how to do everything, all different styles. I'll say no. Your style is not a weakness, it is a strength. And when you develop yourself and you become very, very loud at it, people will look at your design and they will be wow. The second style, I would like to call them the illustrators. They are very good with artistic painting and all that. They are very good with drawing. That is their superpower. They want to try to illustrate things. Most times they want to tell story using illustrations. Like I always say, design is a means of communication. And most times illustrators find it very easy to communicate using their illustrations. This kind of artistic drawings, just to pass out something. It is a strength, it is not a weakness. If you are good at that, stick to it. Try making all your designs illustrations. You don't have to do everything. You don't have to go into 3D arts. You just have to stick to what you are good at. In that way, you grow fast and you become more efficient. People tend to rely on you because you are stable. Not being unstable, not trying to go with all trends, like I said. Illustrations are of different types. We have isometric illustrations, we have geometric illustrations. Whatever it is, be proud of yourself. I tell people I'm not an illustrator. I am not an illustrator in any way. Whenever they give me a job meant to be for an illustrator, I don't struggle doing it. I tell them I am not an illustrator. Sometimes we are able to bypass and try to do something. Like this logo I have, the idea I had originally was supposed to be for an illustrator. You understand? But I had to just use my few skills and I came up with something. It does not mean I'm an illustrator. I just had to do something. So be proud of yourself. Be proud of yourself. If you look at these designs, they are illustrative designs. Take a look at them. Very awesome designs. Some people will say, okay, we have modern designs and all that, so they have to make their designs modern. I think there's a way you can make your 3D designs modern or your illustrations modern. If you look at these flyers, we have some old illustrations. They are not the illustrations we have presently. So there's a way you can modernize your style. These old illustrations, when you look at them, you know that, okay, these are old kind of designs back in the 90s and then, but you can make them modern also. As you can see, all these illustrations, they are modern. The same illustrations, but they are looking modern. Even if it's 3D, you can find some kind of 3D designs, they look old and all that, but you can modernize them. Like these ones you have, they are modernized. So it depends on you. It depends on how far you want to go. When we talk of design style, some persons have categorized it as, okay, maybe a niche of design. Maybe logo design is your style, or flyer designs, maybe it's your style. But I'll disagree. Design style is more than that. You hardly find people talking about design styles on YouTube in this fashion. It is not a niche. It is more than a niche. It's more than picking, okay, I'm doing a logo or I'm doing a flyer. It is more than that. This is just the beginning. I have enough in my storehouse to give to you. Just subscribe, like this video, and share. I want to see your designs using your design style. I want to see them. Comment what you think about design styles. If there's anything you feel about it, you can let me know in the comment section. Thank you very much for joining me today. See you next time.